Setting up multi-factor authentication can be a bit daunting if you've never had to use it before. If you don't know what multi-factor authentication or MFA is, it's essentially a way to help keep your account safe and secure by ensuring it's really you trying to log in. In this short video, we'll go over how to set it up on your account. Before we get started, if you share your account with others, be sure to add them as additional users so they can have their own username and password and then set up MFA for their own login and their own devices. Now, we are in the process of making MFA required for all users. If your account has been converted, you'll be prompted to set up MFA on your next login. If you haven't been prompted yet, from the home page, click here and choose Settings. Scroll down to the Multi-Factor Authentication section. If prompted, enter your Constant Contact username and password, then click Sign In. The next time you log into your Constant Contact account, you'll be prompted to choose one of the following options to set up your secondary factor of authentication: Okta Verify, Google Authenticator, SMS Authentication, Voice Call Authentication. Let's take a moment to cover the steps of how to set up MFA with both Okta Verify and the Google Authenticator app. During setup, you have the option to set up multiple MFA factors, and we recommend that you do this to ensure you're always able to get into your account. Starting with Okta Verify, click Setup to get started. Select if you have an iPhone or Android device, download the app from the App Store or the Google Play Store, and then click Next. Open the Okta Verify app on your device and click the plus sign in the top right to add an account. Select the organization account type and then click Scan a QR code and use your device's camera to scan the QR code provided. Then click Done. Now let's take a look at setting MFA up with Google Authenticator. Same as Okta Verify, click Setup to get started. Then select if you have an iPhone or Android device and download the Google Authenticator app from your device's App Store. Then click Next. Open the Google Authenticator app on your device and click Get Started. Click Scan a QR code and then use your device's camera to scan the QR code on the screen. Then click Next. Enter the code from the Google Authenticator app and then click Verify. Now that you have a method of multi-factor authentication set up, let's quickly cover logging in with it. Anytime you log into your account from a device we don't recognize, you'll be required to enter your secondary factor of authentication. For Okta Verify, click Send Push and open the notification on your device. Then click Yes, It's Me to approve the login attempt. For Google Authenticator, open the Google Authenticator app on your device and enter the passcode provided. Then click Verify. For SMS authentication, click the Send Code button to send the text code to your device and enter the passcode provided. Then click Verify. For voice call authentication, click the Call button to initiate a voice call to your phone and enter the passcode provided. Then click Verify. And that's how easy it is to set up multi-factor authentication in Constant Contact.